everyone. I'm a short call Garang from South Sudan. I did cabin crew and ground staff condolences. I'm studying in Delhi University. I tried my all best to study aviation, but I couldn't manage it. So I just make a possible ways to study. I came to India. I just asked my friends who studied in aviation company who studied in, and they told me that the best institute here in Delhi, Skylark Institute. So I tried to search on Google. I focused on the cabin crew management. So I actually, those cabin crews, I learned many things. How they serve people, I've learned it. How do they serve how do you call it, the passengers, and how they manage themselves. So you have to make the company love you. So I love that. I have that feeling. What my suggestion is like this course is productive and I like some students to join. Even I encourage my friends here in my country, they are studying here. I told them that I completed my course and I will be able to work in any aviation company. And they were so excited to that. So they have that plan, they have that dream to study also. My country particularly, they have a lot of aviation companies, but the institutes are not there. So I have that feelings to make an aviation company just like to teach students. I was in plan to do ticketing and hospitality.